Most people get this wrong. They think investing in startups is only for venture capitalists, but EquityZen makes it accessible to accredited investors looking to buy shares in private companies before they go public. Here's my full experience. EquityZen acts as a marketplace connecting investors with shareholders in late-stage private companies. You can browse available shares, see company valuations, and purchase partial ownership without needing to lead a funding round. The platform provides detailed company data, including growth metrics, funding history, and risk disclosures. One surprising benefit is the liquidity options. While private company shares are traditionally hard to sell, EquityZen facilitates secondary transactions, allowing investors to exit if there's a buyer. This adds flexibility, but it's still not as liquid as public stocks, so holding periods can be long. The process is straightforward. You create an account, verify your accreditation, and browse available investment opportunities. EquityZen handles the legal documentation, compliance, and transaction processing, making it easier than negotiating private deals independently. Drawbacks include high minimum investments and the inherent risk of startup investing. Many startups fail, and there's no guarantee of returns. Fees also apply for each transaction, and the platform is only available to accredited investors. In conclusion, EquityZen is a valuable platform for accredited investors looking to access private company shares with more transparency and liquidity than traditional methods. It's not for everyone, but for those eligible, it opens doors to opportunities previously reserved for venture capitalists. Subscribe for more honest reviews of investment platforms and startup opportunities.